Before going into this video, we heartily welcome you all into e-Gurukulam for IAS. Let's start. As we discussed earlier in second-order classification of continental landforms, there are three types, which are mountains, plateaus and plains. We already discussed about mountains and plateaus. Now it's time for plains. Plains. Plains are the most important landforms found on the Earth's surface. A plain is nothing but a low-lying relatively flat land surface with very gentle slope and minimum local relief. About 55% of the Earth's land surface is occupied by plains. Most of the plain have been formed by deposition of sediments brought down by rivers. Besides rivers, some plains have also been formed by the action of the wind, moving ice and tectonic activities. Classification of plains. On the basis of their mode of formation, plains can be classified as structural plane, erosional plains, depositional plains. Firstly, structural plains. These plains are mainly formed by the upliftment of a part of the sea floor or continental shelf. They are located on the borders of almost all the major continents. The structural plains may also be formed by the subsidence of areas. Next, erosional plains or peneplains. Erosional plains are formed by the continuous and long-time erosion of uplands. The surface of such plains is hardly smooth and hence, they are also called as peneplains, which means almost plain. Depositional plains. These plains are formed by the depositional activity of various geomorphic agents. When plains are formed by river deposits, they are called as riverine or alluvial plains. The depositions of sediments in a lake give rise to a lacustrine plain or lake plains. The Valley of Kashmir is an example of lacustrine plain. When plains are formed by glacial deposits, they are called as glacial or drift plains. When the wind is the major agent of deposition, those plains are called as loess plains. The economic significance of plains. Fertile soil. The plains generally have deep and fertile soil. As they have a flat surface, the means of irrigation can be easily developed. That is why plains are called as the food baskets of the world. The growth of industries, the rich agricultural resources, especially of alluvial plains, have helped in the growth of agro-based industries. Since the plains are thickly populated, plenty of labor is available for the intense cultivation and for supplying the workforce for the industries. Expansion of means of transportation. The flat surface of plains favors the building of roads, airports, and laying down railway lines. Centers of civilizations. Plains are centers of many civilizations. Setting up of cities and towns, easy means of transportation on land and the growth of agriculture and industries in plains have resulted in the setting up and expansion of cities and towns. The most developed trade centers and ports of the world are found in the plains only, and as much as 80% of the world's population lives here. Meet you in next video discussing about oceanic landforms. Thank you for watching. e-Gurukulam signing off.